Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two concrete screw kits. So they're made by VIGRUE. This is the 175 piece. Now it's got like these hex head ones, different sizes, 1/4 inch and 3/16. This one is countersunk. This is the 210 piece set. It's got, all of them are countersunk. So if you need to put like a 2x4 on the wall and you need to countersink the hole so that it's nice and flat, these work really well for that. Now, these do not come with drill bits. You do need 2 drill bits, and they're both the same. So you've got 2 sizes. You've got a 3/16 and you've got a 1/4 inch, which is bigger, and a 3/16, which is smaller. And same over here. The 1/4 inch, now again, that's the thickness of the threads, not the length. They come in different lengths. And then you got the 3/16 threads. So the smaller one, the 3/16, and I made a note on here, the 3/16 uses a 5/32 drill bit, concrete drill bit. So and again, neither one of these come with drill bits or ways of putting like the screw gun to put them in with. So 5/32. The 1/4 inch uses 3/16 drill bit. That's going to be a bigger drill bit, 3/16 for the bigger ones. Now, when you drill your hole in the concrete, you want it about a 1/2 inch deeper than whatever length this screw is. You don't want it the exact same size. And you can put these in as like a impact gun here or in a screw gun or a drill, but it should have the symbol here for hammer drill, for drilling into concrete. That's going to give it a hammering action that really helps these drill bits drill into concrete. It's really the only way. Now they got different sizes. I'm not going to go over every single size, and I do like these kits that everything's nice and stored, but there's not a spot for every single size. Like they've got a couple of these in bags. There's just not a spot for them. I wish the container was a little bit bigger, but at least it's organized. And I don't get to concrete screws a lot, but when you do, you can kind of take your time and get what you need. If it was a different fastener that I use all the time, I may want a spot for each one. Now the countersunk screws, you're going to need a number 3 Phillips for the bigger ones, the 1/4 inch, and a number 2 Phillips for the smaller ones. Now I've used a number 2 on these. Sometimes it works, but you could round that out. Now over here on these, you're going to need 1/4 inch nut driver, and this kit works really well. This 48-20-9097. It's got this drill bits and the nut drivers right here, 2 sizes, 1/4 inch nut driver for the smaller ones. And you're going to need a 5/16 nut driver for the bigger ones. Now, again, this kit doesn't come with these. You have to get these extra, and same with these drill bits. So I mainly got the kits so that I would have the concrete screws. I had my drill bits and my install screws already, or my install fasteners already, but I needed more sizes and varying sizes of concrete screws. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.